Good afternoon. Welcome to the livestormsnow.com weather update. It looks like we're looking at a severe thunderstorm watch for central and southern North Dakota this afternoon in effect until 10 p.m. Central. Wind gusts of 70 miles an hour and 2-inch hail are possible. Along the surface boundary, we've been seeing supercells and scattered multi-cell storms develop this afternoon. You can see here from Bismarck to Jamestown right now. Several reports of 1 inch and inch and a half to 1 inch to an inch and a half hail have came in this afternoon. Several warnings are out just along the axis of the interstate corridor there from Dickinson to Jamestown. Strongest storm we're watching at the moment looks to be down in the Jamestown vicinity. We're going to pull up local radar here, and this shows you the Ville density, which is a good indicator of hail. The lighter colors out here are near zero, and the brighter white colors go up to a 7 to an 8 kilograms per meter squared on our indication level here, and these are very, very high, indicative of potential for very large hail. As you can see, 2.25 inches, what's indicated by the radar there. Also some rotation in here, probably 20-30 knots gate to gate, which is also indicating of that updraft rotating. So storms this afternoon are going to be pretty vigorous in this vicinity, and it's expected that they'll continue to move east and east-southeast. With any possible boundary interactions, we can't rule out the potential for a tornado or two, but large hail seems to be the primary threat. As you can see, even this cell here took a left split and moving toward the east-northeast. So you got to watch these that veer the main storm motion to see what kind of rotation they might go into. Let's take a look back at our big program here. As you can see, the surface pressure axis is right into the Bismarck area. So right along that boundary is where we're going to see some development this afternoon. That severe thunderstorm watch once again goes until 10 p.m. We also see some additional development up near the Canadian border in portions of northern Minnesota and extreme northeastern South Dakota. We may have to watch that for the potential for some isolated severe storms also as we go through the afternoon. Elsewhere, the main action's been going on in this portion of the world, but we've also got around a surface high to the south here, we got a decent complex in southern Mississippi, and storms also going from the complex that drifted southeast out of Minnesota last night and all the way down to northern Arkansas, a portion of Missouri, Indiana, Illinois, Ohio, and even down into northern Kentucky now, where several severe thunderstorm warnings are out. A couple of flash flood warnings have also been required today, with these storms moving very slowly and training over the same areas. We'll take a zoom here toward the St. Louis metro. As you can see, flood warning just south of town, and also now some new storms developing in central Missouri, northeast of Springfield, where some severe thunderstorm warnings for the Rolla and the Waynesville, Missouri areas have been needed. So golf ball size hail indicated on that storm. So we're going to continue to watch everything this afternoon, and things worsen and new areas develop. We'll be back with more information, but right now the main focus and threat area looks to be into South Dakota, North Dakota, run-of-the-mill type storms everywhere else. Several warnings in Missouri, North Carolina for just your pulse type afternoon storms. Stay with livestormsnow.com, and we'll be with you if any new breaking weather develops.